Hello, this is M0PAI and we're going to have a look what's in the box of this new WOLFWAVE advanced audio processor from Sotabeams. It's all exciting stuff. So we got a wee bit of packaging. It's always handy. I'll be picking it up for the next few days, no doubt. What we got? Well, keep it simple. So we've got the USB cable, phono cable. There's a little card there, as you can see. And here is the WOLFWAVE. Let's have a gander. That's a little bit of kit. Okay, on the side we got the headphone, the speaker and the DC power jack. Always handy. USB, and that's for USB power as well, so that's even more handy for when I'm out in the van, and for the firmware and the audio in. So for audio in from the radio, this will work nice with my headset as well. Real handy. The thing I like about this, what made me buy this, was the easiness for altering the audio out, rather than going to the menus of the radio, especially when I'm using the RC2000 face-off for when I'm out working remote, as I can't have a radio set up at the XYLs, so main stations at the home QTH. So this is it. This is what's in the box, and I'll post a couple of videos of it up and running. But as you can see, the size fits in the hand, the menu, the mode and the help button. Yet to see what these fully do. So that's what's in the box. That's what it is. Nice little bit of kit. Looks clean, looks good. Again, comes with the USB cable, machine for firmware and power. That's good. And there we are, phono from the radio to this little beauty. So that's it. Quick and easy, and I'll post some videos of it up and running with the remote setup. Thanks for watching.